The number one city that people are moving to in the United States per Redfin, guess what it is? Today we're going to talk about the number one city that people are moving to in the United States as a net number. And guess what? It's Sacramento. So if you haven't already, please like this post, subscribe so you can see future posts if you have any desire in real estate or fun topics that I create. Where are people moving from? So if obviously Sacramento is a top location in the US, people are moving from somewhere else. So real estate agents, please pay special attention to this, because if you're in any one of the other 9 areas where people are moving from, let's work together. You have clients that are moving to my area. Let's connect. So the number 10 place that people are moving from is Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Number 9, Des Moines, Iowa. Number 8, Santa Barbara, California. Number 7, Louisville, Kentucky. Number 6, Bakersfield, California. Number 5, Washington, D.C., cross-country move. Another cross-country move, New York City. Number 3, Chicago, Illinois. Number 2 place that people are moving from is Los Angeles, California. And the number 1 place where people are moving from to Sacramento is San Francisco, California. So also, as I look through this list of people, or a list of cities where people are moving from, I found it interesting that Chicago, Illinois is actually mentioned 4 out of 10 times. So if you're an agent in Chicago, connect with everybody else in the United States, because everybody's leaving your state, your city. So that would be a good funnel hack for you. Let's talk about why people are moving here. The proximity is so vast, like everything is here. Within an hour and a half to 2 hours, you're in Tahoe. Within an hour and a half to 2 hours, you're in San Francisco. Within 72 minutes, you're in Napa. Yes, 72 minutes, because I've been there several times. That's actually right to the Montage Resort and Spa, which is amazing. And then dining. There's 2 Michelin star restaurants here. For one, we have the kitchen. It's been around here for years. But 2, very cool, is Localis. This is named just this last month. And great story. The guy almost shut his business down during 2020, and now he has a Michelin star rated restaurant. So check him out. Super cool story. The guy seems very humble, and I look forward to going to check out his restaurant. Outdoor activity and recreation. Listen to this list of things that people can do here in the greater Sacramento area. We've got the American River, Sacramento River, Folsom Lake, Lake Natomas. There's endless trails for hiking. Hidden Falls is my favorite. But hiking around all of these rivers, lakes, and all that there is to do there, boating, rafting. Sometimes we have a beach in Folsom Lake, sometimes we don't. Sometimes you can pretend like you're Jesus when we have the drought, and you can walk across the thing. 2 years ago, no joke, people were going, there's like a little island in the middle of the lake where there's like all these like flowers, like purple flowers, whatever. And we saw them on every Instagram out there, because people are walking to the middle of the lake to take pictures where these flowers were. Pretty cool. Unless you're dependent on water. But anyways, the weather's not bad throughout the year. You've got winters. It's raining right now, but it's not freezing cold. We're not all, bundled up here. A couple layers and you're good. It doesn't ever get below like 34. And then summers, yeah, it's warm during the day. It gets sometimes into the hundreds, but at night it's like 60 degrees. So it's nice and chill during the summertime. Attractions. We have Golden One Center, which has the Sacramento Kings. And this year they put this purple beam in there. I thought, well, we're never going to see that because they're only putting it up when they win. Surprisingly enough, Sacramento Kings are winning this year. So that's kind of cool. Concerts. Recently we had Mark Anthony and Carrie Underwood, kind of big names. Comedians. In the last 10 days, we had Kevin Hart, Dave Chappelle and Chris Rock, and Adam Sandler. All in a week and a half. Not every city in the United States has that. And we also have concerts in the park. It's a country concert. We have Aftershock, which is a massive 3-day rock concert venue. Housing prices. If you're on the lower end of the housing budgets and you can afford maybe $250,000, we're going to be able to find you a house. If you're on the higher end and you're in the multi-million-dollar housing range, we're going to be able to find you a house. And everywhere in between. So regardless of your income, you're going to be able to have affordability in buying a house here in Sacramento. And lastly, I've lived here most of my life. I can tell you, I've been to 35 plus states, and I've lived in probably 10 of them. And of those states that I've lived in, California is by far my favorite. And I've lived up and down the state of California, as south as San Diego. And Sacramento is absolutely one of my favorite cities to live in because of everything that I mentioned. So I'd love to hear what your thoughts are on Sacramento, California, your favorite place to live. It won't be number one in the US according to Redfin, but we can still talk about it. So drop your comments below, please. If you haven't already, subscribe, like this video, and if you know anybody that's thinking about moving to Sacramento, share this. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye-bye.